Hello students, welcome to SRIST. Today we will discuss about first experiment of the electrical measuring instrument lab, that is to measure resistance, voltage, current in AC and DC circuit using digital multimeter. First we know what is multimeter. A multimeter is an electronic instrument. Every electronic technician and engineers widely used piece of test equipment. A multimeter is mainly used to measure the three basic electrical characteristics of voltage, current and resistance. It can also be used to test continuity between 2 points in an electric circuit. The multimeter has multifunctionalities, like it acts like ammeter, voltmeter and ohm meter. It is a handheld device with positive and negative indicator needle over a numerical LCD digital display. Multimeter can be used for testing batteries, household wiring, electric motors and power supplies. There are different types of multimeters like analog, digital and fluke multimeters. Today we will discuss about digital multimeter. Digital multimeter. We mostly used multimeter is a digital multimeter. The digital multimeter performs all functions from AC to DC other than analog. It has two probes, positive and negative, indicated with black and red color. The black probe connected to COM jack and red probe connected by user requirement to measure ohm, volt or amperes. The jack marked V ohm and the COM jack on the right of the picture are used for measuring voltages, resistance and for testing a diode. The two jacks are utilized when an LCD that shows what is being measured, volts, ohms, amperes, etc. Overload protection prevents damage to the meter and the circuit and protects the user. The digital multimeter consists of an LCD, a knob to select various ranges of the three electrical characteristics. First, we need to measure the voltage. Firstly, we need to move the pointer of the knob to the voltage and select it to DC. First, red probe is connected to the positive side of the battery. Next, the black probe is connected to the negative side of the battery, showing the voltage is 1.5 volt. Okay. Next, we can measure the current of a circuit. This is a battery operated circuit. We need to find how much current will flowing through the LED lamp. First, we need to move the knob to the milliampere point. Then select it to DC. Next, red probe is connected to the positive side and black probe is connected to the negative side, showing that the 10.1 milliampere current flowing through this LED lamp. Next we find the resistance of a resistor. This is a resistor. We need to find its resistance. First, we move the pointer of the knob towards ohm point. Next, black probe is connected to this side and red probe is connected to this side. See, the resistance of this resistor is 1.05 kilo ohm. If you have any confusion throughout this topic, then play it again and again. I hope you will surely overcome your confusion. Thank you.